Hello everyone. Alright, here's my album from last month's The Paper Parrot Scrapbook Club that I'm in. Beautiful papers. All this is from the kit. So you get your two buttons, this, all this ribbon. This wasn't in there. This was from another kit, I believe in April, that they sent, so I thought, hey, that would look cute in there. And let's see, this is a Recollections, and so is this. But all the other stuff throughout the book, all the papers, except for the last pages, are from their kit. Alright, so here's the front. And it's summery. Like it. Okay, here. This paper's so pretty. I just cut these out with my Cricut. You can flip this up, put a picture in there. Thought that would be cute. Flowers, Recollection. On to this page. Everybody loves the berries. That was the theme. I made this on my Cricut. And this is one of the papers, and so is this. This is a sticker border. That's also in the kit. Isn't that cute? Alright. Here we go on this. The sticker. These are from the kit. So I made this little flip up. So you flip it up. Oh, oops. I velcroed it. So you flip it up, page, and you pull this out. It's a tag. Just whatever. And then there's the other picture. These sandals were from last year. I made a cruise little mini book. It's on my YouTube channel. But they're foamy, cute. That wasn't in a kit, but these were. Here's the other paper. They sent this matchbox cutout that all you had to do was put it in your book. I love it, because then I don't have to think about where I have to measure everything. So here, here, here. Recollections flower ribbon from the kit. All this paper from the kit. Two tags. Summer. See? Isn't that cute? All these stickers were in there. Same with this. Made that. Alright, this one was fun. These are two tags. And here's a band I made, and this little pull-out, which I paper clipped. And then you just pull it out. Let me see if I can do it. And then, yeah, one-handed. Love it. Pull it out, and there you go. A little book. Okay. Next page. Tag with the ribbon. Stickers says fun. More stickers that are on there. These are kind of like acrylic. They're pretty cool. I did a stamp there. Made these tags also on the Cricut. Put in there. But this paper is so pretty. Alright, this little envelope is already pre-made from Michael's. It was like 50 cents or something for the pack. But anyway, so here's another tag. Here we go over here. And washi tape came with it. There was a solid color and this printed color. So I put summertime, love, pictures. Over here, same thing. This is the solid color one. And the stickers. Oop, sorry about that. My wrist thing got in the camera. Last page, a band. This was a sticker, but I popped it up. And these, I just fussy cut it out of the paper stack. And then the last page, where you can put your date. So there it is. The Paper Parrot album of the month. Now, okay, so I did this, right? Well, first of all, I forgot that they had the cardboard, this already done, all these shapes. Okay? So I said, oh, I'll just make a toilet paper mini. So here's all the papers, and I made a mini out of it. So now all I have to do is embellish it and put the tags in. Those are all the papers, pretty much, that you get. So there you have it, ladies. I made 2 albums out of the 1 paper pack. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.